Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank to all of you for completing 300 subscribers on this channel. This is a short video I'm making for one more real-time issue recently we have faced in the project. Okay, so let me give you the background. A user is trying to post asset transaction, okay, wherein like initially they record all the expenses in the WIP. Okay, so basically to manage WIP in SAP, there are multiple ways. This is the simplest one is that whenever business has incurred some expenses for say like asset, which is AUC, asset under construction. So what they do, they will record all the expenses in a WIP GL, which is a balance sheet GL account. Okay, once the work is completed, now what they will do, they will transfer this balance to fixed asset. Okay, so for this they are just posting simple JV using FP01 transaction code. Okay, wherein posting key 70 is for your asset, which is debit, right? Asset 70 means debit, and posting key 50, which is WIP balance sheet GL account. So as you can see in the screen. Okay, so assume that we are posting AUC, or like we are posting WIP, or we are transferring the WIP into fixed asset 1000 rupees. When user is posting this transaction, is getting this error. So you can see the error. Account KTANSW balance sheet account APC could not be found for area 1. Area 1 is nothing but depreciation area 01. So system is saying that system couldn't find the APC GL account. Okay, and system also suggests you the solution for this. It says that you assign the GL account. Okay, assign the GL account, which is nothing but OB90, I think. OB90, I believe. Not OB90, sorry, it is AU90. Okay, you can verify. I think this is AU90, wherein like we assign the GL accounts in the account determination for the asset. Alright. So if you want, you can scroll and you can see the playlist for the asset accounting in the channel. So you'll get some idea. But if you have little knowledge, so you can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so when I check here, so first of all, what I have to check, I need to find out the asset class for this asset. So the step to resolve this issue is that step 1, find out asset class. So asset will be here. I just hidden it here. So asset number is there. So you go to AS03 and give the asset number. You will find the asset class. Once you find the asset class, step number 2 is that find account determination for asset class. So that you can find in the configuration SPRO. It should be under define asset class. So in the define asset class, you will find okay, if you go to the asset class, say like we have found one asset class, say like Z300. So if you go in this asset class, you will find one field over there called account determination. Okay, so you found now account determination. Now you go to AO90, which is nothing but assign GLs. This is our step number 3. And here you will check balance sheet GLs, right? balance sheet GL for Z300, which is our account determination for this asset. And what you will check here APC GL, and you will find some GL account given there. Some GL account is already there. All right. So this is how we check. So nothing is missing basically in the configuration. And by this message, check whether GL account is defined in the account determination for the asset accounting. It says that you need to check whether the GL is given in the account determination or not. Okay, so we saw that GL account is already given there. Now, if you read the second line here, second point, check whether the defined GL is created in your company code. Okay, define a GL account or create the GL account in your company code. So this is the solution here. The first thing we have checked in the configuration, everything is fine. Now that GL, say like this GL, you copy this GL account and go to step number 4, go to FS00 and your company code is 211. Now if you search this GL account here, you will not find this GL account. So now you found the root cause for this issue. So what is the solution? Create or extend GL in company code 211. Once you've done this, then if you post this transaction nothing but FB01 transaction code. Okay, then what? Again post FB01 transaction, and this will be posted successfully this time. Okay, this was a small issue, but yeah, sometimes what happens, like we will read this message, half of this message, mainly people will focus on this highlighted line only, and they will check. They will ignore this ending two lines, or sometimes people will not check even this pop-up message or this detailed error message also. Okay, they will start doing Google or checking like different config steps. Okay, so this is the one issue you can mention in your interview questions also. This should be helpful. All right, thank you so much. And one more suggestion, please comment if you need my WhatsApp number for any help, so I can create a WhatsApp group or Telegram group. And also suggest me if you want me to come on live for any Q&A sessions or doubt clearing sessions, or if you're facing any issue, or if you want to discuss anything about career in SAP. So please do let me know. If you comment, then I will take the action and I will decide accordingly. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. We'll try to meet soon. Okay, this is this video I'm making after a long time because I'm not getting time. Alright, so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.